Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 10th of February, 2016. My voice is still not what it should be, so I'll have to apologize for that in advance. Here's a look at the ES front-month futures contract. We had a gap down day, reversed, and then closed negative. We'll look at the intraday action in a moment, but otherwise it was kind of an inside day to the prior day. Crude oil, though, this is ugly, closed at 28.35. Not ugly if you drive a car or commute or do anything, but ugly for crude oil itself. This chart looks lower still. We're only 9 bars down on the secret count. A lot of stuff that could still go on down there at lower prices. Meanwhile, gold on the fly, up 80 cents for the day, but obviously a big move over the last week, finishing out a nice cup formation. In the end, the S&P 500 cash index lost 1 point. Which doesn't seem like that big of a deal. The NDX lost 12.87. SOX lost 3.46. I want to go back and look at the NDX here real quick. By losing points, this is, again, the lowest close over the last year plus, even though we were slightly lower on Monday and lower one day in August. The actual closing price is the lowest we've had. Biotech's up 2.43 on the reversal. The VIX gained 54 cents, but it was higher at one point. Trend closed low at 0.8, bringing the 10-day moving average down to 1.08. Not getting a lot of trend support on this move down. The volume on the NASDAQ was 2.25 billion shares, a little less than the 2.5 that we saw on Monday. Advanced decline ratio, negative 900. New York, negative 1,200. Google down $3.14. Not a big deal there. Apple down literally 2 cents for the day. Amazon down $6.03. Netflix actually gained $2.81. All right, let's take a quick look at the intraday action of 5-minute candles on the ES. Gapped down, immediately head higher. We had some huge futures trades, netted out almost 100 ticks today on the ES and the NQ, and then tapped out on the gap fill, pulled back, headed into lunch on the VWAP, stayed there, tried to rally after lunch, pulled back after that. Looking at the NASDAQ side, pretty much the same story, although it did not make new highs in the afternoon. Both sides closed right on the VWAP midpoint area. All right, so what do we have left to look forward to, at least on Wednesday, and we'll then hopefully do a preview tomorrow night where my voice will be slightly better. So tomorrow we've got the MBA mortgage index data at 7 a.m. Eastern. Crude oil inventory is an hour into the market. That's the weekly number. Treasury budget at 2 p.m. Eastern time. None of that's a major deal, so we just focus on trading. Obviously, we've got some good volatility, good price action both ways. Stick with market direction, find good patterns. We'll do all right again. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. Remember, we've got a holiday weekend coming up, so Friday should be a little light. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks in the lab. Have a great trading Wednesday.